Hi guys, welcome to MELCY'S kitchen. This time I'm cooking chicken adobo. I'm using chicken pieces. This is 1.5 kg chicken pieces. So we need a bigger pot. We got garlic, bay leaves, cooking oil. We got onions, peppercorn, 2 cups of water, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, vinegar, white vinegar. We got cracked pepper, sea salt, and we had a sweet soy sauce. Okay, let's start cooking. The pot is now hot and ready, so we put the cooking oil. Then we put the garlic. It's a nice flavor if you put more garlic in it. So onion. Put the bay leaf, peppercorn, and now we can put the chicken pieces. Mix it well, and then let it simmer for just 5 minutes. See, after 5 minutes, let's check our chicken. Oh, nice.
That looks yummy.
Yum, yum. Here's the soy sauce. Just the normal soy sauce. Vinegar. It's about like 1/4 cup of soy sauce and vinegar, but you can go back if you want some more. You can put some more vinegar. It depends on you know how salty or how sour you want. For dark soy sauce, we can put just 1 tablespoon. Just to add more color.
It's looking nice.
Yeah. And put the water.
And where do you buy your ingredients, and where do you buy your sauce?
Oh, the soy sauce and vinegar and the sweet soy sauce, you can buy it in any Asian shop. But
okay,
yeah, normal soy sauce you can find it in any supermarket. Just a little bit of salt because got the soy sauce already. It's a bit salty already. The sweet soy sauce, just put just 1 spoon. To add a little bit of sweetness, so it's like soury, sweet, and salty. Not really salty, it depends how you like it. And let it simmer. Okay, give it like 15 minutes. Okay, let's check our chicken adobo. Oh, nice.
yeah,
It smells nice. So these are chicken adobo. Just put 1 cup of water. We made a mistake earlier. We put 2 cups instead of 1 cup. Okay, and now we can put more pepper, cracked pepper, the sweet soy sauce, just a teaspoon. A little bit more of cooking oil. Mix it up.
looking good.
Oh, nice. It's salty, garlicky, peppery. Oh, that's awesome. the chicken is not cooked and tender, and the sauce was reduced. And voila! Chicken adobo by MELCY'S Kitchen. Okay guys, here's my chicken adobo. It's now ready to serve. Nice.
That looks yummy.
Yum yum. Nice.
So it's a Filipino favorite. Chicken adobo.
Chicken adobo.
So there are different style of adobo.
Cooking adobo, yeah.
So what's this one?
It's I call it chicken adobo, Tagalog version.
Okay.
Because my mom, she grew up in Quezon, Alabat, Quezon, Alabat Island. So yes, she's pure Tagalog, and she loves cooking this chicken adobo when we were kids. Oh, we love it. One of my favorite chicken adobo, definitely. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.